Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. So in this tutorial I am going to explain that how you can use now Tavily inside n8n instead of creating HTTP node, because now n8n supports Tavily node directly instead of defining complex steps using HTTP node. So what we will need to do, we'll just need to add chat trigger and then AI agent. Okay, this tutorial is gonna be very simple because I will just quickly explain the new feature of n8n. And now we are going to use Claude for chat model. Claude 4 is fine. Let's use their latest one. Claude Haku seems also fine, but let me use Claude Sonnet. Okay, and then now in tool, which is the main thing, now you can use Tavily as a tool. So if you will search initially, you will need to install this, which will be the simple process there. When you will search here in when you will click on plus icon and then you will search Tavily, you will need to install it in simple steps. I have already connected my account. I just went through their website, I sign up there, I got their API key on their main page, I just copy their API key. They provide free credits, 500 almost. I just paste it over here and I click save. Okay, once your Tavily is defined, you can select it as set automatically. Search operation, there are multiple operations. I'm gonna use search operation. You can use extract, crawl, and you can also use define your custom API, and then query, yeah, I'm gonna select it defined by AI. Okay, so it will be defined in real time, and there are some other options that I can show you. Let me structure it. And there are add options. You can add topics, search depth, chunk per source, maximum results. So I am not let me use maximum results 3, and then include raw content, no. Include domains and time rate. I'm gonna chunk. Okay, 3 is fine. Chunk per source, but I would suggest 2 are fine. Okay, save. And now I'm gonna define system message here. Let me define system message. You are a helpful assistant and you will answer my queries. Sorry guys, you will answer my queries. Okay, now I am going to save it and I am going to ask simple question. Let's suppose, hey, can you just tell me the latest news about AI? It should be and yeah, so now I am going to ask it a question about latest news in the field of AI. Hey chat, can you tell me the latest trends in AI in 2025. Okay, so now it will use Claude model, then it will generate a request to for Tavily search, and I'm using Claude 4 because Claude 4 Opus, because Claude 4.5 has some issues. I will also recommend you Claude 4 Sonnet or Opus. Okay, so latest trends in AI 2025, artificial intelligence 25 predictions. These queries are being created by Claude and then forwarded to the Tavily for the news, to scrape the news. So now you can see the output. Key AI trends in 2025: multimodal AI agents with greater autonomy, AI reasoning, frontier models, enterprise adoption, ROI, custom AI, silicon, private, and so on. So this is how you can combine now Tavily inside n8n without defining HTTP nodes and complex scenarios. You can just easily add tool from here by searching, and then you can use it. You can also use fire crawl. Okay, and now you can also use AP5. all these things are available within n8n. I will create separate videos and tutorials for Epify in Firechrome.